Slight power lag.
Bangalore से ride करते हैं आप.
Anything else you want to tell the viewers? Huge difference on the experience. You remember before having intercoms, what we used to do? Color is little pink.
Each one.
Top, yes. Just for top up, we can use any brand. That's not a problem. Melvin has stayed on the other.
Today we are covering about 277 kilometers from Ambala to Rampur via Shimla, which will take us about 7 to 8 hours.
Finally, after 2 days, we are mounting Insta camera again. Electric also we have, manual pump also we are carrying. We're starting to see the mountains. We are starting the climb, but this is nothing. This is nothing compared to once. Welcome to Solan, everyone. 123 kilometers in total to Narkanda. Welcome to Shimla. What we are doing is, Melvin is going ahead and catching space, and then both of us are getting onto the gap to park.
South India से जा रहे हो bike लेके?
Karnataka.
कहाँ से bike लेके आए?
We are exiting Shimla. Dhanyavad. Thank you for the experience.
We have crossed Shimla. We're taking a small break. Just got to know that it's raining in the morning and evening near Narkanda. So now I'm not wearing no noise. I want noise.
I'm actually not feeling cold after wearing it.
We have taken a good break. Now we'll continue to Narkanda. We're feeling a slight power lag, but I guess that's normal. I feel like we'll reach Narkanda very soon. Maybe another 2 hours. Oh, it's getting cold. The time is 3 p.m. and my hands are feeling cold inside the gloves already. Melvin is riding without the gloves because he has heated grips on his CBR. Blindly from that inside road. Gotta be really careful because I don't know what. Some people are very high. And just like that, it became warm. We are going down and we are going to go up again there. Go. Jacket shop, if we find, we have to stop. Oh wow. Look at the houses on the side of the mountain. So we are in Thiog and हम बेंगलुरु से हैं.
Bangalore से हो?
हाँ.
Bangalore से ride करते हैं आप. यार. Guarantee कुछ है क्या?
We'll have to come.
Welcome bro.
Next ride.
भाई एक्चुअली हमको ना चेन क्लीन करने के लिए हमको वेस्ट
वाला कपड़ा चाहिए. ये हार्डवेयर वाला है ना साथ में हमारा.
अच्छा है क्या इधर?
हाँ इनके पास.
Finally got a pretty good jacket. We're also getting some cloths for wiping or cleaning the chains. भैया thank you. आपका नाम?
सक्षम. विष्णु जी.
Okay.
मिलते हैं. आना आपने बुलाना.
Sure, definitely. Thank you. Yeah. Now what is pending?
Only rain. Okay.
Oh, bike cover. That also we should have asked him.
We'll ask her.
Huh.
A few moments later.
The long pending shopping is done. The major shopping is done. Only thing that's left. So Melvin saying 2 down, 1 to go, and that's exactly right. We got the winter jacket. We got cloth for chain cleaning. The only thing that's pending is bike covers for Ganesh and me. If you're lucky, we will get that very soon, somewhere here or in Narkanda. It should be available. People do cover their bikes here during the winter and when it snows. We have 86 kilometers to Rampur. We are actually planning and seeing if we can push to Rampur. Google Maps says we'll reach at 6:30. That means we might reach at 7 because we'll be stopping or slowing down for bad roads and taking photos sometimes. Let's see what happens ahead. Anything else, guys? Anything else you want to tell the viewers? A tip and a message from the group is ride safe. Don't overtake if you can't see the corner. You know, the time of the day makes a lot of difference when we are traveling through these roads. The shadows, the side where the sun is on, all this makes a huge difference on the experience. Stones have fallen. Oh wow. What we are seeing on the left are apple trees. The ones that covered have apples, right? Basically, they are trying to protect it from birds. Oh, you remember there was a waterfall here. We have about 65 kilometers to Rampur Pushar. It's getting cold. You can see a lot of clouds forming on the right side. The valley is getting darker with very little sunlight. You remember before having intercoms, what we used to do is just show legs, hands, legs, hands. It's so much effort. Yeah, true. Bro, if it's raining, we'll stop at some place. Here the color is little pink.
Each one key.
Huh?
Each one key.
Bus. Same, I also put 7.65. We just fueled up. The density of the fuel is really good, 753.4. We have topped up to the brim, continuing towards Narkanda. It's drizzling slightly. Hopefully it doesn't rain. You'll never know. There will be small patches of rain. It might keep coming and going. Screen looks good. Screen looks good. Guys, we are once again invited with a rainbow here as we are reaching Narkanda. Last time it was after Sangla. It is raining now. Okay, then the Indian Oil is the place. We had to stop. Bro, what to do? Okay, push. Oh man. it is raining. Was this a bad idea or a good idea? Oh man. We'll stop, bro. We didn't drench. After this, now we are turning into ice popsicles. Little bit of rainbow. I tried recording, I don't know, because there were a lot of curves. Bro, the temperature went down like 2 degrees maybe. If we wouldn't have stopped here, we would have got screwed. Narkanda, we're actually already in Narkanda, and they're loading apples, Himachal apples. Once this drizzle is down, as these clouds are passing, we can actually continue. So we're actually buying apples from here. He's already packed it. We've actually rested for 30-40 minutes easily. Right now time is 5:50. So I think we'll reach only by 7:30 to Rampur, the stay. I had just called and confirmed that the stay is available, and thankfully the person told that it's not raining there. Since we got little wet, I think we'll feel a bit cold now. Now I want the radiator to run. Melvin saying it is not even going to turn on in this weather. Narkanda, it's 10. We are thinking if we need to buy the bike cover from here or should we move ahead. Okay, so we checked for vehicle cover in Narkanda. They have only plastic and the tarpaulin covers, which are normal covers, and they're saying to check in Rampur as there are some bike showrooms there. If not, we will go ahead and buy some tarpaulin covers and cover it on overnight. Alright, let's enjoy the 54 kilometers that's left. Chilly 54, yeah. It's gonna be really cold because there's no sunlight and it has rained. Clouds on the right side, bro, when you're coming down here. Cotton candy. Saw? Ah. Careful. They're standing on the road also again. For the record, these roads are very beautiful. Really well paved. We are really enjoying this time. The moon has risen on my left, a crescent moon. The feeling is just amazing. Oh man, just stop. Yes, just stop and take a photo, video, whatever you want. Oh man, just look at that cotton candy clouds. But it's foggy right now. It's becoming foggy down there. Oh, this is breathtaking. That's peace. That's the sound of peace. Well, it's not the car that just passed, but otherwise. Man, the silence, man. Beautiful. We're almost down from Narkanda. The temperature is a little more bearable as we are going down. I don't know if the camera is doing justice, but we are just surrounded with the lights in the valleys from all the houses. And there's a wedding here. No, we can't go because we have to reach Rampur. Yeah. Vinod Automobiles, so they have Shell engine oil. We thought we'll just carry, for me specifically, we'll carry a 1 liter bottle. 10W40, not there. Okay guys, so I just called Karthik and checked about the engine oil. He told we can mix 10W40 fully synthetic because that is what I have used on CBR right now. So just for top up we can use any brand, that's not a problem. And we have got Mobil 10W40 fully synthetic from here. I am hoping that we won't need to open it, but it's just for emergency. In case if the oil level is reducing in either of our Melvin's or my CBR, we'll just keep our fingers crossed. Okay, so we have 26 kilometers and 43 minutes to reach the stay in Rampur. Let's continue. Okay, so this is the river Sutlej. We're traveling right next to that. There's a lot of work going on the other side actually. Oh wow. Night view is something else. Morning we can maybe simply come until here, bro. 14 minutes now. I don't know how much the camera is actually capturing, but we can see a very strong current flowing down there. This would have been a beautiful view. Oh, looks like they've pulled down a little more on the right. Yeah. Let's enjoy the feel. I've even turned off the headlight. I think we should definitely come back here in the morning. It's going to be a very good capture. Just 15 minutes, right? 30 minutes to come and go, that's all. Mahesh Regency. We got a room on the first floor. It's very spacious and I think very well falls under the budget that we need. How we got to know about this place is Melvin has stayed on the other
There, how
Mahesh
why I was
Hotel.
waiting was this turn we have. Right after this turn, it's a huge waterfall. Okay.
Okay.
After that, the road it is bad. So
Okay.
from there you have to go 100 meters and left it is there.
Okay. So we will stay here overnight, take good rest, start another beautiful day. Thanks for watching today guys, and it's a sign off.